Adaptive Cruise Control, or ACC, can automatically maintain a set speed and following interval from vehicles detected ahead. When the detected vehicle ahead changes speed, ACC adjusts your vehicle's speed accordingly to maintain separation. ACC works at speeds above 40 km per hour, but models with low speed follow can maintain the set interval all the way to a complete stop when a vehicle is detected ahead. Tapping the accelerator re-engages ACC when traffic begins moving again. Your Acura will automatically accelerate and maintain the set interval up to the previously set speed. Here's how to activate ACC on your Acura. When the operating conditions are met, press the main button on the steering wheel. ACC will appear in the instrument panel, indicating that the system is in standby mode. The lane keeping assist system will be in standby as well. Press the plus-minus switch down towards set minus when the desired speed is achieved. ACC will then activate. You can adjust the set speed by pressing the plus-minus switch up or down. If no vehicle is detected ahead, the vehicle icon in the instrument panel will appear as a dotted outline. When a vehicle is detected ahead, the icon will fill in. Use the interval button on the steering wheel to adjust the following interval. The distance bars in the instrument panel will change accordingly. To cancel ACC, simply press the main button, the cancel button, or depress the brake pedal while the vehicle is moving. It's important to understand that ACC is a sophisticated convenience feature, not a safety device, and comes with some notable limitations. Driver awareness and control are required at all times. Lastly, ACC relies on a front radar unit and windshield-mounted camera to operate. Be sure to keep these clean at all times. Otherwise, the system may proactively disable and a warning message will appear in your instrument panel. You may also receive these warning messages in poor weather conditions, in which case the warnings will clear shortly after conditions improve.